Today I'm doing a protein treatment with Aphogee's 2-step protein treatment. I try to use this every 6 to 8 weeks. I put the protein treatment in a spray bottle because it does get a little messy. Starting with freshly washed hair using my PrettiPhizziez Assy Berry Whip Shampoo, and I'll be following up with the Honey and Hibiscus Deep Conditioner. Again, I use a spray bottle and definitely have a towel around my shoulders because this stuff does get a little messy. I'm going to part my hair down the middle just to make it a little easier to distribute the protein treatment. I use my spray bottle to spray the protein treatment onto my strands, making sure that I coat each and every one of my strands with the protein treatment, even my short parts. Then I am going to section it off further so that I can use my brush to make sure that the product is evenly distributed through all of my strands. Definitely want to brush through quickly before the product starts to harden, because this stuff does get rock hard once the protein treatment dries, and you definitely don't want to brush nor comb through hard hair. So I'm just going through making sure that the protein treatment is coated on all of my strands. This is my hair with the protein treatment on. I'm going to sit under the dryer to speed up the dry time, but you can also use a handheld dryer. Once the protein treatment dries, your hair is hard, literally hard as a brick. But once it gets to this point, you know that it's ready to be washed out. Now I'm going to deep condition with PrettiPhizziez Honey and Hibiscus Deep Conditioner. This is definitely one of my favorite deep conditioners. Slip is amazing, as you can see from the smile on my face. Just adding some moisture back into my hair after doing that protein treatment. If you have not tried this deep conditioner yet, I'm not sure what you are waiting for. It is the truth. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my deep conditioner. I will be using my Gold and Hot Deep Conditioning Cap just to add some heat and moisture to my treatment. Here is my hair, freshly shampooed, protein treatment, deep conditioner. Hair feels amazing. I would definitely recommend doing a protein treatment, but also making sure to follow up with some type of moisturizing deep conditioning. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.